Amalungu enhlangano yabalimi okusahlamvu iSouth African Grain Association asephakamisa ukungabethembi ubuholi babaholi ababili abaphezulu kulenhlangano. Laba ngumongwatho kanye noIshmael Tsiyame, uhlalo kanye nesikhulu esiphezulu sebemanyambane emalungwini enhlangano nasephumela obala ngalokho. Izizathu zokunyamalala kwezimali okumele inikwe abalimi eminyakeni emibili.
We're mandated by our members is to showcase some of the wrongdoings by the national leadership of SAGRA. And one of those things was their failure to account on the funds that are meant to assist the farmers.
Abalimi bathi sebelahlekelwe kakhulu ngesikhathi sesivuno sikabhekilanga.
It was only in January when we received the fertilizers, and then the seed came mid-February, yes, and then we started planting. And then after planting, we were supposed to be spraying, meaning that applying chemicals for the weeds, but they also arrived late. When they arrived, the sunflower was already big, so that we cannot even enter the field.
Sekube nesicelo sokuba uhulumeni angenelele.
We think it will be important for government to, to pump money straight to our different provinces, so that it must be easy for farmers, to get early their production inputs.
Laba balimi abaneme nangokuthi iSAGRA iphuma enhlanganweni yabalimi African Farmers Association bengazisanga ibhuntshileke imizamo yokuthola ukuphawula kwezikhulu zeSAGRA.